Welcome to Transmara Sugar Factory, where innovation meets sustainability. Here, Biogas International Ltd is transforming how factories manage waste and energy. Factories face increasing pressure to adopt eco-friendly waste management practices. This factory had a biogas plant producing gas as a byproduct of wastewater treatment. The factory processes up to 4,000 tons of sugar cane every day. Previously, the gas was simply flared off as waste. Looking for a solution, Transmara Sugar Factory turned to Flexi Biogas solutions to put their biogas to productive use.
We're here at Transmara Sugar Company. This is the waste effluent treatment plant. Part of the component is a biogas digester. It's a 500 cubic meter system. I'll take you for a small tour. This is the top of the digester. These are the floaters, and that yellow pipe is the gas collection. You can see the whole effluent treatment center. All of the different ponds from up here. There's the main factory. Here we have taken our biogas feed. Here we have the desulfurizer, main control switch, compressor itself, 300 liter compressor, then the buffer balloon. The buffer balloon basically controls and makes sure that the compressor doesn't suck liquid from the digester. And the gas going into the grid is coming from over here. This is the line. The gas pipe runs along here.
Currently, this Biogas Minigrid stretches to 150 meters to the commercial kitchens, supplying biogas directly to the chefs who prepare meals for over 1,000 factory workers.
Then from inside the kitchen, it comes into the vents, where it comes down to the flow meter, monitoring. And then it goes into this burner, which is being converted to run on biogas. See, it's simmering, big pots. The end game will be to convert this LPG stove also onto the biogas. So this is Francis in the kitchen. So we did a small experiment. We put one stove on the LPG, which is the one on Francis's left. That's LPG. And then we did the other one on this side. We did it with biogas. So with that big pot, Francis, tell me, how long did this one take to boil?
This one takes 40 minutes to boil.
40 minutes to boil.
Yeah.
And the other one took?
The other one takes 35 minutes to boil.
35 minutes to boil.
Yeah.
So the difference is only 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
So that's not going to in any way inconvenience your cooking.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you. So there you have it. A stove converted to run biogas, and with because of the medium pressure, no real inconveniences to the kitchen.
Expanding its impact, here we are now converting the second stove to run on biogas, maximizing the energy use while reducing waste. Okay now, it's done modifying. Let's light it up.
Albert, utasema hapa mnafikia watu wangapi? Ehe. More than 1,000. Okay. Na tuseme mnapika lita ngapi hivi? 300 liters. So kabla tuweke biogas kwa mwezi mlikuwa mnatumia LPG kiasi gani? 11 cylinders. Kwa muda gani? 11 cylinders per month. Okay.
With biogas fueled stove, 300 liters of tea is prepared 3 times daily for over 2,000 staff members. Workers arrive to collect tea prepared with biogas, carrying it back to their respective departments. This is an out for serving every department and setting a new sustainable energy use in the workplace. We can see the staff enjoying tea prepared with biogas. In addition to biogas, the factory turns sugarcane waste, or bogas, into briquettes, which are used to power steam engines, further reducing reliance on electricity. These efforts showcase the factory's commitment to sustainability and innovation, from waste reduction to clean energy production. Biogas International Ltd is proud to partner with Transmara Sugar Factory, setting a new standard in sustainable energy management.